Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com, and in this video I want to talk about a small case study on email marketing. So what we are going to discuss today is behavior based sales automation, and what I have done here is that I recently published a blog post on my experience of visiting Affiliate World Asia in Bangkok, Thailand. So this is a small blog post, and in this blog post I have mentioned about what happened at the affiliate conference and who are the speakers, who I met, and some basic things like that. And this is something that I wanted to update anyway. And then I sent out a mail to all my subscribers about this blog post. So if you go inside my Drip account, you will be able to see the broadcast that I sent. So here you can see that I have sent out the broadcast to 1,27,630 subscribers, and here you can see 18% open rate and 1,418 clicks. So I have done the automation in such a way that I will track whoever is clicking on this link. So let me show you the email first. If I show you the email, you will be able to get the context of it. So here you can see this is the email that I had sent, and there is a very high probability that you might have received this email as well. And in this email I have given a link which is linking to the blog post. However, this particular link is not a direct link to my blog post, it's a trigger link. So I go ahead and set up trigger link inside rules, inside the automation tab. And here you can see inside rules I have set up the trigger in such a way that whenever someone clicks that particular link, they are tagged as affiliate-prospect. So here you can see that there is a link trigger, and this is the link that they click on. This is the URL that they visit eventually, and here you can see this is the trigger link that I have to include in the email. So if I include this trigger link, what happens is that it redirects to this particular URL, but it also goes ahead and applies a tag which is affiliate-prospect. So what I have done is that I have created another automation. So this is the automation I have created. So this is available inside automation and workflows. So rules are basically one-step workflows, and otherwise the general workflows have multiple steps. So here you can see pitch affiliate course is the workflow that I have created. So what I have done is that I have created this tag called affiliate-prospect. So whenever it looks like someone might be interested in purchasing my affiliate marketing course, I go ahead and put this particular tag. So even in the future, if I am writing some other blog post on affiliate marketing, I can include this particular tag. So once this tag is applied on a particular subscriber, this automation gets triggered, and in this automation it first checks if they have already bought the affiliate marketing mastery course. So if they have bought the affiliate marketing course, I send a different email. I send this email with the subject line, did you watch all the training videos in the affiliate marketing course? And I ask them if there is any update that they need and if there is any feedback and things like that. And if they have not bought the affiliate marketing mastery course, it waits for a minute and then it sends another mail which says some more affiliate marketing articles that you might like. So here you can see this particular mail. So this is the email, and here I have linked to two different affiliate marketing related articles on my blog, and then I have also linked to the landing page of my affiliate marketing course. So here you can see this is the landing page, and this is where the sales of my affiliate marketing course happens. So what has happened is that if you go ahead and check the workflow, someone is getting tagged with this particular tag, and then it checks if they have already bought the course. So here you can see 1402 triggers have been made. So 1402 subscribers have visited this blog post, and this particular automation has started, and out of this 1402, 110 are already students of my affiliate marketing course. So it wouldn't make sense to pitch the affiliate marketing course for people who have already bought it, right? So that's why we do this decision tree. And here you can see that if it is no, we have 1248 people who have completed this particular automation. So this I added a little bit later, so it's total of 1291 subscribers. So 1291 subscribers got this particular email, which pitches the affiliate marketing mastery course to them. So if I go ahead and check the email metrics for this particular email, you will be surprised by the open rate. So what I will do, I will check automation level mails and select this particular mail. So here you can see that since this email is triggered as soon as people click on that particular link, it has a very high open rate. So it's almost 70%. You can see 69.6% and the click rate is 33.6%. So this is pretty high. And here you can see that we have sent the mail to around 1400 people, and these are the people who have clicked the link in the previous mail. So this is how we do some automated sales pitches. And since this is in context that the pitch is delivered only to the people who have recently read this particular article, so I am talking about affiliate marketing, I am talking about how big the affiliate world is, and then if they have not purchased the affiliate marketing course, then I am taking them to my landing page which sells the affiliate marketing course. So this type of pitch is very soft pitch, and we are not pressurizing the people to buy. And this particular blog post has given me more than 30,000 rupees in revenue in terms of sales of the affiliate marketing course. So we bring attention to particular blog post to the subscribers based on this mail, and if they are interested only, we are sending this particular pitch. So this is a very good way to keep having recurring sales of information products apart from the one-time launches that we do. So one-time launches fade away after some time, and then these recurring launches and recurring pitches help you bring in consistent revenue from the products that you have already created. And I definitely would recommend that you go ahead and try creating a workflow like this. And such workflows are available in ActiveCampaign, ConvertKit, and many other email marketing tools. However, I am using this particular tool called drip.com. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any other questions, leave a comment below. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.